I'm Faizan. I'm studying in SPIW Kumbakonam, and today I'm presenting my beginner level project, the CleenBot. If you see this project, this bot has it has a broom that can spin and clean things on it, and the waste can be collected with the help of this mop. So let's see it in action. So you can see the broom spins. Here, let's see if we can clean this. You can see that this tape will be thick. So now let me show you the components I used for this project. Okay. First I used a broom that I have cut to make sure it fits into the BO motor. Then second, I have kept a PCB board that has a Bluetooth controller and motor drivers in it. And third, I have used a 12-volt battery and a servo motor, and a mop and a broom and a sketch pen to hold the mop, and 4 wheels and 4 basic gear motors and a metal chassis. Thank you for watching.